Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox Terrain Editor. First, open Roblox Studio and locate the Terrain Editor under the Home or View tab. You'll find essential tools like Add and Subtract to begin shaping your world. The Add tool builds up terrain, while Subtract removes it. You can also select from over 20 different terrain materials, like grass, rock, or sand, to give your landscape its initial look and feel. These foundational tools are your first step to creating immersive environments. Moving beyond the basics, the Paint tool allows you to apply various materials, like painting snow on a mountain or creating a dirt path. The Grow tool lets you raise terrain, while Erode carves it away, perfect for natural hills and valleys. For precise, flat areas, the Flatten tool is invaluable, creating level ground for structures or pathways. These tools offer brush sizes typically ranging from 1 to 64 studs, giving you fine control over your environment. For expansive worlds, the Generate tool is a powerful starting point, procedurally creating terrain within a selected region. You can choose from several biomes, such as Arctic, dunes, or mountains, to instantly form diverse environments. After generation, use sculpting tools to add organic details, like intricate rock formations or winding riverbeds. Remember, you can adjust the size and position of the generation region, allowing for both vast and localized terrain creation. To achieve realistic terrain, blend materials smoothly, creating natural transitions between grass and dirt, for example. When adding water, customize its color, reflectance, and wave properties for a dynamic look. For optimal performance, especially on mobile devices, manage your terrain's complexity. Limit excessive voxels, which are tiny 4x4x4 stud cubes, and consider hollowing out unseen areas. Utilizing level of detail settings also helps maintain smooth gameplay across various devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.